Here's the Elliott wave forecast for December 6, 2012 on the Dow 30-day 1-minute chart. Looks like we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and this is a wave 2. And if we didn't fade at the close, I would have expected maybe a breakout into a 3, but this might turn to a flat, ABC flat, which might test 12,950. But this area right here is getting pretty wild and almost there's no decisive pattern right now. And the biggest problem right now is this stock right here. You know what it is. Excuse me, Apple. If this is the first wave, the second wave, it would hold 539. Close a hair below it, and if it gaps down below 538, they'll close yesterday, and retest 510, that it's going to break new lows. Or 0.76 around 525 is going to test new lows, and it's a problematic stock right now, and I really don't want to jump in here because of this one stock. It's the biggest stock in the world, at least, and you don't want to jump in here when a stock like this is getting crushed. Even though Nasdaq may have completed a zigzag at the close, looks like maybe wave 1, wave 2. This might be A, this might be B, this might be C. So we might even test 29.38 if there's a gap down below 29.58 tomorrow. So I do think this might be a corrective wave 2 in Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow, but we need to get Apple get Apple going again because it's really doing terrible. There wasn't a concrete explanation for what happened to Apple yesterday. There was no concrete fundamentally there was nothing that really changed for Apple yesterday. It just dropped for no reason. I don't believe any of the shit they said on CNBC. Anyway, for S&P, I have a feeling that this might be A, this might be B, this might be C. So we gap down tomorrow below 1398. We might test as low as 1385. S&P and Dow look okay, but Nasdaq and Apple need to get it together because if they don't get together, this might turn to an impulse down. But for now, it looks like corrective wave 2s for now, and I expected maybe a C wave with Dow and S&P heading to the end of the week. That's a wrap.